Before starting, turn off the system before connecting or disconnecting any equipment. Remove the battery cover. Open the side covers. Unscrew the 3 screws that hold the side covers in place and remove both covers. Remove the buoyancy so you can access the guest ports. Unpack the Tritech Gemini-box. Take out the universal strong mount and yellow smart connector cable. Install the Blueye universal strong mount above the guest ports. Use the hex key 3 and the M4x12 screws. Fasten the yellow smart connector cable. Select any of the 3 guest ports and connect the Gemini smart connector cable. Use the screw from the blind plug to fasten the connector. Remember to not over-tighten the bolt. Put the buoyancy back on. Close the side covers. Make sure the cable is routed out through the top mount slot before popping the side covers back on. Put the battery cover back on. Mount the Tritech MicronGemini by using the hex key 2 and the M3x5 screw. Mount the sonar to the buoyancy. Attach the Gemini multi-beam to the universal strong mount on the ROV. Use the hex key 4 and the M5x20 screw. Mount the yellow smart connector cable. Make sure to tighten the brass connector firmly. You can use a GoPro extension to adjust the angle of the sonar. Simply attach the extension to the sonar mount and set your desired angle. Thank you for watching. Head to the Blueye Help Center for more tutorials, articles, and support.